Hi guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the concept of expressions in the C language and how to evaluate given expression. So that is nothing but evaluation. So evaluation of given expression. So let us talk about in detail. So most of the times many programmers at the same time many students are getting a lot of confusion to understanding the expression. So first of all, what is an expression? An expression contains group of variables, values and operators. Okay, so but what is the technical definition of an expression? An expression is nothing but combination of operands. So the variables and values we can call it as operands as per the concept of operators, and the combination of operands and operators, right? For example, we can take it as an expression like 4 plus 3 star 2. So this is called basic expression in the C language. We can say that 4 and 3 we can call it as operands, this plus we can call it as operator. But the question mark is which expression we are going to calculate it first. That is the question mark. Okay, so that question mark we are going to be solved in this video, right? Okay, so what is an expression? An expression is combination of operators and operands, and it is going to be performing some kind of task, right? So this is the basic definition of expression. So let us work with the different examples to understanding the topic. There is an expression like 4 plus 3 star 2. So how to evaluate given expression? Plus or star, which one is the first? See, unfortunately C language not supports BODMAS rule. Most of the people are saying that based on the BODMAS rule this expression is going to be evaluated, but it is wrong. So B stands for braces, and O stands for operator of means square root or square, and D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. So this is the BODMAS rule, and there is a no BODMAS rule in C language. Okay, BODMAS rule in algebra, but there is a no BODMAS rule in C language. In this expression, which one? That means plus we have to evaluate it first or star is evaluated first. See, there is a operator precedency and associative table. Based on that, star and slash both are high priorities for basic type 1 expressions, and plus and minus both are low priorities. Okay, so in this expression you can clearly observe that star is high priority and plus is second priority. So as per the data, first expression is, this is the first evaluating expression. So that is nothing but 4 plus 3 star 2 6, right? So this is the second time, and ultimately 4 plus 6 is 10 is the result, right? This is the way we can evaluate the basic expression. So let us work with one more example. This is the first expression example. You can clearly observe that this is the given expression and this is the result of given expression. First star is operated, then plus is operated. So you can observe that 4 slash 2 star 3. See, there are two operators. One is slash, means division, and other one is star. So what is the high priority? This one or this one? See, as I said, slash and star both are high priorities comparing with the plus or minus, but both are same. When both operators are same high priority, then there is some kind of association. So that association is nothing but left to right direction evaluation. So first point is slash and star. So left to right means this is the first expression and this is the second expression, right? Okay, so the evaluation will be like this: 4 by 2, that is nothing but 2 is the value and star of 3. Okay, then second expression. So the second expression value is, expected value is 6. So let us work with the example program. You will get the full clarity about this expression, right? So let us take one more example for more clarity purpose. So this is the example 2. In this example 2, you can clearly observe that left to right association, and the result of given expression is 6. We can take one expression, so that is nothing but 5 x value equal to 5 minus 2 star 7 minus 9. Assume that some expression is combination of basic arithmetic operators. Now you can observe that what are the operators we have? The operators are star operator and minus operator and equivalent to operator. See, this is the plus is also there. So total we have 4 operators in this expression. So this is the high priority, priority 1, plus and minus, second priority, equivalent is the least priority. Okay, so this is the basic precedency of operator. Let us work with the example. So in this example, this is the first expression because star is the high priority, right? So now evaluation will be 5 minus 14 minus 9. So this is the expression, and after that you can clearly observe that plus minus minus without sign, compiler automatically take it as plus. So plus and minus both are the same priority. And what is the association? The association is nothing but, evaluation is nothing but left to right direction. For the left to right direction, so this is the second one. Okay, 5 minus 14 means minus 9. Okay, again minus 9. So this is the third expression. And ultimately, what is the result? The result is minus 18 is the result, right? And one more point you have to observe that is nothing but x value. So this 18 is storing into x. So this is the last precedency. That is nothing but this evaluation is what? Right to left association for the fourth expression. See, this is the way we can solve the expressions in C language. So this is the concept of expression and evaluation. See, in the next video, I'm going to talk about how to solve different type of expressions in C language based on the table of operator, precedency and association, and it is very useful in competitive exams as well as your interviews, right? So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support my channel. Thank you guys. See, this is a third example. In this example, you can observe that 5 minus 2 star minus 7 star is evaluated first, then left to right association and right to left association and coming into in this case, and ultimately result is minus 18 is the result, right?